Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. Hey friends, I'm very excited to announce something truly amazing. That's right, after so many requests, I'm launching a new playlist exclusively dedicated to Power BI tutorial, taking you from absolute beginner to analytics superstar, means from zero to hero. In this playlist, you will be deep dive into the world of Power BI, mastering every aspect along the way. Plus, I will be sharing insider tips and tricks that you won't find anywhere else. So, if you want to become a Power BI pro, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss out on what's coming on next. Initially, when you start learning Power BI, you should know basics of Power BI. Means what is Power BI? Why do we use it? What are the steps we perform in Power BI? So I have already created one video on this. So I will put this in the playlist as a video number 1 and link I will provide in the description box. Today we are starting with the video number 2, which is how to download and launch the Power BI on your local machine. Okay, so let's start and install a Power BI desktop on your local machine. To do this, we can just go to powerbi.microsoft.com. Okay, you just enter this and hit enter. Then under products here, click this drop down and here you will get the Power BI desktop option. This is a free version. Okay, Power BI desktop is a free version while Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium is a paid versions. So we want Power BI desktop only. So we'll click Power BI desktop. Once you click this, you will see two more options, download free and see download or language option. So if we click this download free, it will open the Microsoft Store and like Power BI will be installed via the Microsoft Store. Okay, but I'm not going to use this option because this is an option that is unfortunately not available for all the Windows system. And the Microsoft Store, Power BI will automatically be updated, which is a good thing. But since if you want a more flexibility, you can just manually install it. So I'm just canceling this. Okay, and we'll choose the another option, which is C downloads and language options. Just click this. Now you can see here we got this, and here we have to choose the language. I will keep the English here by default and just click this download. Now here you can see we will get the two options. Go for 64-bit version because I have a 64-bit system. Okay, you have to choose your computer system for which version it is and then download accordingly. Now I have clicked this and I will download this in your local machine. Okay, and I'm saving it. Just navigate to the location and then open it. Once you open it, you will see this page. Okay, then here you have to again select the language. I will keep English as a default, then click on next. Now it will ask us to allow for the changes for your device. Okay, here you have to click yes. To again click on this next, and here you have to click this I accept the terms for the license agreement and click on next. Then it will show you the file path. Again click next, and here you have to tick this create a desktop shortcut. It will create a shortcut for your Power BI. Okay, then click on install. It will take few seconds. 3 minutes to get successfully installed. Now we have to launch it. So for that you have to tick this launch Microsoft Power BI desktop and just click on finish. Now your Power BI will be launched. You will see a Power BI desktop app on your desktop system. Okay, computer system. You have to just double click it. Once you double click it, this page will open. This is the Power BI interface. Okay, here you can see that Power BI desktop. You have to close this window. Now here you can see this. This is a Power BI interface. Okay, we have seen how to install and launch the Power BI desktop version. In the next video, we will see a closer look of a Power BI interface. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.